sleeping. Just got a touch of that flu that's been going around. They told us it would probably clear up by itself, but we should head down to that place they set up at the fairgrounds anyways. My Ben wanted none of that. I can't trust those government types. Isn't that right, honey? No, my sweet man. I don't know what I'd do without him. What's that? Probably have fun, you say? Oh, Ben. Horrible goof, Benjamin Woods. Now, get your rest. Don't let these folks disturb you.
Hey, Vanessa. How you and Ben doing? Don't worry about us. Just grabbing supplies and be out of your hair.
Can't see a damn
Come
thing.
back and see
Need
me.
light. Not my worst customer. Taking a look at the car. Thanks for the tip. We've still got a ways to go, and I've got a feeling it's not going to get any easier.
Belisaro's convoy avoided this route due to the road being out. You should be able to find a way through on foot.
That doesn't sound good.
Would you look at that?
Careful with your fire. Propane tank here.
Need to be able to see them before they see us.
How's this for your last meal? Ting.
Got leftovers down there. What are you doing?
Propane tank.
Yeah, I just need to shift that frame.
Push her!
Shoot their heads.
Propane tank.
Watch out! Pressure! Watch how you swing that thing! Get the fuck out of my face!
These make a welcome change to what we usually find
How are you getting on with Hook's finest crew?
out. They're loud. I don't like loud. But they're growing on me. We should go this way.
Better make your peace.
You want to fight? There's leftovers.
Done. Now. Got something you might like.
Best keep close. Don't want to get lost out here.
Here.
Something's following us. Not me. Not this time. I could use that. Reloading!
Those armor plates you make take
Ammo over
real
here.
talent.
Learned from the best. My own grandpa. Every summer I'd come out and we'd spend hours in the garage restoring some rust bucket. Got real good at using my hands.
Over there.
There's an old church up ahead. You should be able to rest up there. Be careful. Ridden may not be your only threat. The place is falling apart, so you'll have to secure it before you bunk down.
You hear that?
This nightmare wasn't real enough for you. Looks like they've upped their game.
Off of me! That's a one-way ticket to hell.
Take it. Extra ammo if you're interested.
Watch that thing! I need to reload!
Everywhere!
Going to wipe that smile on your ugly mouth.
Hey, watch out!
Focus your fire.
Oh, you asked for this.
Left over here.
Gonna get you out of this. Hit it where it counts.
Give it up.
Look where you're swinging that. Ha! Didn't see that coming, did you?
I'm reloading! Going to look here. Just what I needed. Back up!
What's that?
Okay, here.
They're in my pocket. Wow.
This might hurt. Molotov here.
Always count on you.
Engaging. Target ahead.
Here, take this. Ammo!
Take it. Ammo.
No time to waste.
Friendly fire.
All right, all right. Last time, I promise.
Get down!
Who said you could hit me? I'm gonna hit here. Every copper adds up.
Gas can here.
I could use that.
Pressure over there!
Hit him between the eyes! Reloading!
Watch out! Rich!
Fucking disgusting! Quick, the church!
It's them, not me, you idiot.
Try this on for size.
Off of me! What do you do that? Even no travelers would head here!
Make them count. There'll be no coming back for more.
Target practice coming right up.
Here, take this.
Yeah, I need that.